What is and how can the experience economy revolutionize your B&B? Discover strategies to create memorable, immersive experiences that keep guests coming back. Hey there, amazing viewers. Enjoy our episodes? Don't just hover around, dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of bed and breakfast knowledge, and ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. In the ever-evolving landscape of hospitality, the concept of the experience economy has taken center stage. This shift surpasses mere accommodation, inviting bed and breakfast owners to offer memorable experiences that resonate with guests long after their stay. In this episode, I will share strategies for enhancing the guest experience, ensuring that your B&B stands out. Learn practical tips and effective methods for creating an unforgettable stay for your guests. Great news! The Inside Track Mastering Your B&B Business course has been revitalized and relaunched. Unlock your B&B's potential with the Inside Track Mastering Your B&B's Business course, tailored for both new and experienced innkeepers. Our course offers 49 lessons across 11 modules, covering everything from crafting unforgettable guest experiences to navigating industry regulations. Learn at your own pace with videos, MP3s, and PDFs, and solidify your knowledge with end-of-the-module quizzes. Whether you're starting fresh or refining your B&B, this course equips you with insider insights to transform your property into a standout destination. Click the link to see how you can benefit. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity to elevate your bed and breakfast business. Personalization is the cornerstone of the experience economy. It involves tailoring your services to meet the unique preferences of each guest. This approach goes beyond addressing guests by their first names. It includes remembering their favorite breakfast dishes, preferred room settings, and special occasions like anniversaries or birthdays. Imagine a guest who previously mentioned their love for a specific local wine. During their next visit, offering a complimentary bottle of that wine in their room can significantly enhance their experience. This attention to detail not only delights guests, but also fosters loyalty. Beyond the basics, your bed and breakfast can elevate your offerings by curating unique activities that reflect local culture and environment. These activities provide guests with immersive experiences that they can't find anywhere else. Examples include nature walks, cooking classes with local chefs, or historical tours led by knowledgeable locals. Consider partnering with a local business to offer exclusive deals or packages. This not only enriches your guest's experience, but also supports the local economy. A guest might relish the opportunity to learn traditional cooking techniques in a hands-on workshop, adding a personal touch to their travel experience. Thematic decor and ambiance can transform a regular stay into a magical experience. Themed rooms or seasonal decorations can invoke a sense of wonder and excitement. For example, a room inspired by a local legend or a seasonally decorated garden can captivate guests and provide them with a unique story to share. Immediate comforts are essential in creating a memorable guest experience. Providing high-quality amenities such as premium bedding, luxury toiletries, and high-speed internet can significantly impact satisfaction. Additionally, offering personalized welcome baskets or complimentary local snacks can make guests feel appreciated from the moment they arrive. Ensuring the environment is clean, comfortable, and aesthetically pleasing is fundamental. Simple touches like flowers in the rooms or a cozy fireplace in the common area can create a homely atmosphere that guests will cherish. Incorporating technology can enhance the guest experience by offering convenience and efficiency. Implementing a user-friendly booking system, providing free Wi-Fi, and offering a digital concierge service can streamline operations and cater to the tech-savvy travelers. Consider integrating smart room controls where guests can adjust lighting, temperature, and entertainment options from their smartphones. This not only adds a modern touch, but also allows guests to personalize their environment effortlessly. Feedback is a valuable resource for continuous improvement. Encouraging guests to share their experiences through reviews and surveys can provide insights into areas of success and opportunities for enhancement. Actively listening to the feedback and implementing changes demonstrates a commitment to guest satisfaction. Proactive hospitality involves anticipating and addressing guest needs before they arise. This can be achieved by paying close attention to guest behavior and preferences during their stay. For instance, if a guest enjoys reading, placing a selection of popular books or magazines in the room can enhance their experience. Understanding common travel challenges and providing solutions, such as offering early check-in options or luggage storage, can also contribute to a more seamless and enjoyable stay. Tired of the dizzying array of analytics and planning required to enhance your bed and breakfast? We're here to help. Our Crafting the Perfect Stay 25 Essential Insights for Bed and Breakfast Owners is your free ticket to simplicity and success. It's as invigorating as your first cup of tea. Load it with the knowledge you need. Download it now and start creating unforgettable experiences at your B&B. What unique activities or amenities have you introduced to enhance your guest experience? Share your ideas in the comments below. Embracing the experience economy allows B&B owners to elevate their offerings beyond mere accommodations. By personalizing guest experiences, curating unique activities, creating thematic decor, enhancing immediate comforts, embracing technology, utilizing feedback, and anticipating guest needs, you can transform your property into a haven of memorable experiences. These strategies not only increase guest satisfaction, but also foster loyalty and word-of-mouth referrals. By following these tips, you'll not only provide exceptional experiences, but also create lasting emotional connections with your guests, ensuring they leave with cherished memories and the desire to return. In the next episode, I will talk about balancing personal life and business. And that's a wrap of today's episode of Beds, Breakfasts, and Business. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Remember, it's more than just the comfy beds and delicious breakfasts. It's about crafting an unforgettable experience. Stay inspired and keep those guest books full. Until next time, sweet dreams and sweeter success.